So, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we shall be understanding the physics behind something that we encounter very frequently in our daily lives. And that question is this: why do wet clothes appear dark? Firstly, we have to understand that wet clothes, when they are wet, they actually hold water molecules inside their fabric. Now, what happens after that? For this, we need to first understand what is refractive index. So, what is refractive index? It is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. Now, which means that objects with higher refractive index will actually bend the light more towards the normal line that you can see over here, right? And this simply means more light available that can be reflected back. Okay, so cotton fabrics, shall I say, any type of fabric that we wear on a daily basis, reflects a lot of light back to us as they have a higher refractive index as compared to water, which is trapped inside the fabrics. Now, if you see, the refractive index of water is actually 1.33, while the refractive index of fabrics is 1.5 to 1.6, which means that greater the amount of light an object reflects back to us, the lighter it appears to us. So, if an object reflects more light back to us, it appears more lighter to us because it is not absorbing light. So, the absorptivity of the material is less than the reflectivity. So, the material is reflecting light more to us. And so, because of this, we can see that wet clothes appear dark. Now, you can also see that the refractive index, as I mentioned just now, is 1.33 for water at STP, and the refractive index of fabrics, typically range between 1.5 to 1.6. So this is the reason why wet clothes appear dark to us because they do not reflect light more when they are wet. Why? Because water molecules has a refractive index less as compared to a wet, dry cotton fabric or any type of fabric, right? So I hope you like this video and my explanation of something that we all have encountered in our daily lives. Apart from this, I will also like to inform you that this same phenomena can also be observed in many other cases apart from our clothes. For example, if you see the sand particles, if you can differentiate between wet and dry sand, you will see that wet sand appears darker as compared to dry sand. Also, a wooden plank, when simply moist with water, appears darker as compared to a dry wooden plank. Why? Because water has been inducted into it, water has now been absorbed into it, and now the water molecules, because they have less refractive index, reflect light less. And because of that, we appear or we see those objects darker and not lighter, right? So I will see you in the next video with some more interesting physics based concept. Until then, goodbye. Take care.